Okay, we're doing an update here. Logan got home from the hospital on Tuesday. I think that might have been Valentine's Day. Yeah. And, you know, he had chemo on Friday and Saturday. He had some rough days, and the first day home was kind of rough, you know, trying to get back into the, you know, getting used to being home. You know, he was at the hospital for 12 days. So, Tuesday night was rough. Wednesday night was rough. And then he had an appointment on Thursday morning at the cancer center. That went well. All his blood levels are up. He's doing good. And then, you know, he's been tired. He's been, you know, last, you know, Tuesday, Wednesday, he was tired. Thursday, he was up. Jeez Pete. He was up most of the day. But he was just kind of laying around. Friday morning, good. Actually got up out of bed and is playing with the dog, so his swelling's going down in his leg. He's making headway, which is a really good thing. You know, the feeling we had between me and my wife coming home on Tuesday, the only thing you can really compare it to is bringing your child home for the first time, a newborn baby. That's the only thing I can relate it to, because you're into, let's say, the unknown as a new parent. So when we brought him home, we were absolutely terrified. We don't know what to do. You know, we're like, this is a whole new thing. So that's the kind of emotional feeling that I had and my wife had, and we kind of agreed on it. So, you know, that's kind of how we felt. It felt like we had a 12-year-old baby. It's not a bad thing. It's just, I'm trying to say, hey, you're going into the unknown. You have no idea what to expect. And I know that's how I felt when I was a parent for the first time. You bring home a baby and you don't know what to expect, and you don't know if you're doing it right or you're doing it wrong. You just kind of take it day by day. And that's where we're at with it right now, and just taking it day by day. And every day seems to get better. So, I'm just giving you some kind of update of what's going on. I want to keep you guys posted. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate all you guys, you know, the support YouTube has gave me. It's amazing. And, you know, help with the GoFundMe, because there is stuff that isn't covered by insurance, which is a lot of money. One of the shots he has coming up, I mean, just the shot alone is, you know, it's $6,400 for one shot. He might need a bunch of them. So we're trying to get help through a different drug company, you know, that actually makes the shot. See if they can help us out some through different avenues. It's just going to be a long, tough road. Emotional, you know, financial, health-wise. It's just going to be tough. And the financial part I really don't want to think about, because that's not my priority. And having the GoFundMe, that's helped a ton. You know, relieve some pressure so I can stay home with my son. I don't have to worry about work right now. Work is guys, you know what you need to do. Like, subscribe. I will keep you posted on updates. And thank you very much.